phase of moon. My name's Blake Cousins, and today we're at a government facility talking about MPTs, microwave power transmissions. In 1964, during World War II, MPT was created to transmit power through the atmosphere or outer space. Just last week, we received this amazing video of UFOs swarming an MPT transmission tower, similar to this one. During the Cold War, U.S. agencies such as the NSA were using this technology to intercept Soviet Union microwave messaging. With the upper hand with U.S. intelligence, it allowed us to win the war without firing a shot. My name's Blake Cousins, and if you have any great UFO videos, you send it to us at Third Phase of Moon. We'll see you next time.